Hi guys, today I'll be showing you combinations and how to figure out how many combinations you can make with things. Okay, so it says color combinations. Don't be scared, it's really just combinations. So there's many things we can do. So there's this girl and she's trying to color and she can outline with the black, the light gray, or the dark gray, and she can color in with these 5 colorful pastel colors. Now, she's trying to figure out how many combinations she can make. Well, obviously we can just add up the black and red and the 5 colors, but we're not going to do that. And we're going to go 3, because that's easiest. 3 times 5. 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Yay, you figured it out. Now you can do it yourself and figure out how many combinations you have. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye. Please subscribe.